curious lang kami dahil bakit kayo nag-decide na maging father and daughter tandem sa Angono, Mayor?
Well, ang tawag po natin dito is circumstantial dynasty.
Bago yun.
Bago yan, sir. Bakit po?
Oo.
I have no plan to run as a vice mayor. Kaya lang, yung mga kasama ko po, hindi naniwalang yung anak ko ang imamatch na vice mayor. Tumakbo po silang mayor, yung mga kasamahan ko, well, naiwan po yung anak kong vice mayor. Then the party, alam niyo po din sa amin, multi-party, halo-halo, nakasuporta sa amin. Ginawa nila, ako na lang ang ginawa nilang vice mayor. Sabi nila, kung kayo po itatakbo, posible po may panalo na tayong isa. Sinuwerte po yung mag-ama. So, yun po yung tinatawag namin circumstantial dynasty. Now, wala naman po masama as long as yung program ay nai-implement, not personality, not parochial, but it's more on how program unify and people's expectation arriving into a result. So, meron po kami regular na consultation, dialogue with our people, and we make it sure na yung aming estilo, the mayor, siya ang mga nagpapatakbo ng bayan, siya ang humaharap sa mga undertakings. Ako naman po, nasa community at nagkukonsulta as not only presiding officer of the Sangguniang Bayan, but of course, I was trusted by the mayor since I am the one who developed some of our program. I was advised to become the program coordinator. Maganda naman po naging resulta. Kaya, competitiveness, sa lahat ng mga award na kukuha po namin.